So we are Vidushas and we are an all-Indian improv group comprising totally of grad students. As they said, we'll be performing here as the first team tonight. And before we start, let's get to know each other a little bit. So give me your favorite fruit. So, since you have responded so beautifully, let's give ourselves a little applause. But on the scale of 10, wait, 1 being, barely audible, 10 being your existence depends on it. So we'll start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And let's start the improv festival with a small scene building game that we all practice. So let's have 2 minutes on stage. 1, 2. Okay, good. So for them, we're going to play the game what we call first line and last line. So we're going to give them a first line and a last line to build up a scene on. For the first line, I want you see your girlfriend with your boss. What do you tell your girlfriend?
It's not your fault.
Don't keep the baby.
Don't keep the baby. Don't keep the baby is your first line, okay? With the shits. And for the last line, let's go this Indian way. Your mother has arranged your wedding for you.
Shipwrecked again.
Sorry?
Don't control my life.
Trolls are eating pizza.
You don't understand.
Not that
Don't
dog.
control my life. I like that one. Don't control my life. And for a little suggestion, let's have something you find in the sky.
Baseball.
Dolphin.
Really tall building.
So what's your first line?
Don't keep this baby.
And the last line?
Don't control my life.
And the suggestion was?
Dolphin.
Dolphin? Yes. Delicious, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start the performance.
Don't keep this baby, I'm telling you.
But
Before you know this baby.
this is what you wanted. That's why we did it.
When I said I wanted a baby, I meant a baby dolphin, not a baby real baby. you got one
I
stand.
don't have the chromosomes that needed to get a dolphin.
You should have mentioned that on your resume. This is not fair. This is really, you should never ever lie on your resume. I trust that.
But what? I have 2 more dolphins to feed. I have to do something, right, to get a job. So I lied.
You lied. You not only lied. You grew. That's not acceptable. That's really not acceptable. I did not sign you up for this.
Yes, I know. It's
I want my $150 back.
okay. This is 50. That's all I can give.
Who the hell told you can pay it in installments? You did not get this baby in installment, did you? It was all in one go.
And that was your fault. That was one go.
First you praise me, for a week. Then you beg me for a week.
But yes, you
And
are
then
good.
you are not happy with the results.
See, it's not me who is not happy. But if you keep complaining about it, I cannot help it.
I know you cannot help it, and you should have known that you cannot help it. And by forcing this baby, do not even try to control my life,
And
So that was the first line and last line. We move on to our next game, which is called Chain Murder Mystery, and for that, let's have 3 people on stage. So the way this game works is 2 of them will go out. One of them will know about a person who has been killed with something at somewhere, and the first person has to convey this to the second person, and the second person will be conveying this to the third person. Except they won't talk in normal language. They will talk in gibberish. So they don't really understand. Now, please believe me, they are really talking in gibberish and not in any Indian language. You guys don't understand. Okay, so please take my word on that. So, before we begin, let's throw two people on off the room. 1, 2, 3. Which two?
Left two. Left two.
You go. Get out of the room. Out of the room. Let them go. Let them go. All right, they're gone. So, for the person, give me a famous Hollywood actor.
Cary Grant.
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Arnold. Sean Connery. Arnold. I'll take Arnold. He is our dear Arnold. So, okay. For the weapon, give me something round. Baseball. For the location, give me a non-geographic location.
Dr. Back alley.
A bed store, a bedding store, a store for beds.
Which one?
A store for beds.
Bed store. Beds.
Bed Bath and Beyond.
Like a mattress store.
Bath and Beyond. Okay, so, who was it?
Arnold Schwarzenegger
With?
with the baseball,
At?
Bed Bath and Beyond.
Okay. So, whom do you want back first, the boy or the girl?
Girl.
Boy, every time. Call the boy, please. He's taking. This is not acceptable. Okay, he is here. Wait.
Ya bada bada. 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 Ya bada. Ya bada bada. Ya bada bada. Ya bada bada. Ya bada bada. Ya. Ya bada bada. 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 Jump bada bada.
30 seconds.
Ya bada bada. 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 Double double. Ya bada bada. Ya bada bada.
15 seconds.
Ya bada bada. Ya bada bada. Ya bada bada. Ya bada bada. Ya bada. Chilicha.
Yabra bra.
Azuchera.
Yabra bra.
Chua, alocha, och.
Yabra bra. Yabra bra.
Chua.
Ya.
Chua la chua, o chua,
Ya.
chua,
Ya.
chua.
Yabra bra.
Chua.
Yabra bra. Good. Go more. Go.
Chua.
Okay, now
Yabra.
let's call the girl.
Yabra bra.
Yellow ball.
Yabra bra. Yabra bra.
Da bade de.
Yabra bra.
Ye bade.
Yabra bra.
Ye bade kya da?
Yabra bra.
Ye bade da.
Yabra bra.
Ye bade da bhai ka.
Yabra bra.
Ye
Yabra
bade
bra.
da.
Yabra bra. Yabra. Yabra bra.
Ye bade. Ayya, ye bade kya?
Yabra bra.
Ye bade de. Ya bade ye.
Yabra bra. Yabra bra.
Ye bade ye bade.
Yabra bra.
Ya bade da.
Yab.
Ye bade da.
Yabra bra.
Ya bade da. Ya bade.
Yabra.
Ya bade da. Ya bade.
Yabra. Yabra.
De bade da. Da bade ja.
Yabra bra.
Ye bade.
Yabra bra. Yabra bra.
Ye bade.
Yabra bra.
Ya bade da ba.
Yabra bra. Yabra bra.
Bade de bade. Ya bade da bada.
Yabra bra.
Okay. Let's see what she has understood. So who was killed?
Arnold Schwarzenegger. Baseball.
Location, any idea?
Sleep, shower, love.
Okay, we'll give her 30 more seconds to explain.
Ye bade.
Choricha.
Ye bade chora.
Trocho. Trola cholo cholo cho.
Ya chora.
Cho. Aisha.
Ye bade.
Agar chol cho. Aisha. Chu. Chu.
Yabra bra.
Tu bade bade.
Yabra bra.
Ye bade bade. Ye bade da. Ye bade da. Ye bade ye bade. Ye bade da. Ah bade bade.
Ya bade.
Apercha.
Ya bade.
Trolicha. Trolicha. Trolicha.
Ha.
Trolicha.
Ha.
Trolicha. Oshula. Trolicha. Chulo chon chulo.
Yabra bra. Bedsheet.
Ye bade bade.
Bed.
Hollywood Walk of Fame.
Bed shower. Baby shower. Bed shower.
Okay, enough. So, what was it?
Bed bath and beyond.
Bed was.
Okay, so for the next game, this is a new game we have started playing. I want 3 musicians on stage, and this is a game which we call News Report, because we have 17,000 news channels and we talk about the news, everything, and piece it up in whatever. So let's piece up some very interesting news. And for a suggestion, give me something internationally known historical event.
The Siege of Carthage. The Siege of Carthage. Waterloo. The Crusades. Waterloo. The Crusade. The Industrial Revolution.
Industrial Revolution. Okay, I can make out Industrial Revolution. You want to try Industrial Revolution? Okay, musicians, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start them out.
So, hello and welcome to KBC News. We have 2 very special guests tonight with us, and we'll be discussing a very great concept of Industrial Revolution today. Welcome to our show, Mr. Smith and Miss Samantha. So, how about we begin with Mr. Smith? So, this Industrial Revolution, this entire thing, it happened in your country. So, how does it feel, to be a part of such a great revolution?
Yeah, absolutely. I think that being one of the defining moments of not only British, but the world history, actually. So, as usual, I think the British brought it about. And, yeah, as usual, the British take credit for everything.
On this point, Miss Samantha, you have been a victim of actually industrial revolution. You know, you had a very little cute kind of cottage industry at your home setup, and this damn revolution just threw that thing out of your house. So how do you react to that?
I am absolutely broken down. I mean, I suck at technology.
Yeah, and because of this, you apparently had to live away in France. I mean, how
I
that
know,
will
I
work?
have been like moving from one country to another, just looking for a place which does not have technology, just trying to run away from everything.
So this industrial revolution has apparently, made Miss Samantha totally lost, and she does not remember what country she originated on, and because she has lived on in so many different countries.
I have a question.
Wait, we will get back to you soon. So, Miss Samantha, do you consider Britain responsible for your apathy or Mr. Smith?
Sir,
He belongs to Britain, by the way.
Oh my God, those British people. Yes, they're all responsible.
So, what do you have to say on this accusation of me?
balderdash! Absolutely inexcusable! Dare to take the British into this?
You brought the British into this! You were born British, that's why this whole entire thing came up today.
Well, my dear sir, it's my birthright to be British, and it's an honor to be British. And if there was a God, you'd beg him to make you British.
On this great piece of information that Mr. Smith had bestowed upon me and this country and this television industry, we will take a little break and we'll probably get back to you in not so near future. So, thank you for watching our news tonight. Have a good day. So that was news report. Hope you liked it, and we'll continue with our next game, which is innuendos. Before we start, how many people have actually watched innuendos in any form? Please say yes. Yes. Lots of it. So let's have all the musicians on stage, please. So for those who have never watched an innuendo game before, let me explain it a little bit. It is a game in which they will come forward and they will compare their fantasies, how they like their men, women, both, as they like their, which will be given by you. So for the first suggestion, let's have something white.
White people.
Sugar, I heard. Sugar is the first suggestion. So we should start.
I like my women as I like my sugar, both white and brown.
I like my women as I like my sugar. They make me go high. And when I'm high, they don't know what they're doing or I'm doing.
I like my women like I like my sugar only from the sugarcane fields.
I like my women as I like my sugar, sugar-free.
Anyway, change of suggestion. Something that moves. Same.
Hairdos. Jellyfish. Sailboat.
Jellyfish is the next suggestion.
I like my women as I like my jellyfish. A lot of tentacles to keep me excited in all places.
I like my men like I like my jellyfish, beautiful underwater.
I like my women as I like my jellyfish under the water.
I like my women as I like my jellyfish, slimy.
I like my men like I like my jellyfish, can be displayed at a museum.
I like my men like I like my jellyfish. I buy them from PetSmart.
I like my women as I like my jellyfish, which stinks.
I like my women as I like my jellyfish off the coast of Australia.
Okay. Something that you'll find in Walmart.
I like my men like I like my spatula, always helps me cook.
I like or probably don't like my women as I like my spatula flat.
I like women like I like my spatula. Can wield them the way I want. I like my men like I like my spatula straight.
Women as I like my spatula, always hard for me.
I like my men like I like my spatula. My mom buys a fresh one every time I break one.
Okay, last suggestion for this game, something that you would give to your boss.
A gold watch.
Snake?
A fur coat.
Fur coat.
I like my men as I like my fur coat. Keeps me warm.
I like my women as I like my fur coat wrapped around me.
I like my men like I like my fur coat. Expensive.
I like my women as I like my fur coat. Generally, always one at the expense of the other.
I like my women as I like my fur coat stolen from rich people.
Okay, that was the game of inventors.
So since time is running out for our final game, we are from India. We like making movies, so we're gonna make a movie right now, and I'm going to play the DVD of that. So to make up that movie, give me a name of a movie which is famous right now.
Iron Man! Iron Man!
Okay, so if you would make Twilight into a sci-fi genre movie, what would the name be?
Gay vampires! Robot vampires! Lightsabers!
DT Twilight.
Lightsabers!
LED Twilight.
LED Twilight. LED Twilight. Anything else? LED Twilight. Okay, let's have LED Twilight for you, and let's have what we have in store for you. Vidishik, are you ready? Yes. Let's talk about.
Richard was the normal scientist, living in a lab all the 24/7. Until he met Sally.
Hi, Richard. I came to see what kind of lab stuff you do here day and night.
Oh, I just made you a new old jellyfish.
But there was a thorn in the side. Richard's evil father, Anthony. Along with his insidious plot to conquer the world, here comes Merlin, the wizard.
Don't turn me into a rat, please. Damn it, it
So-
doesn't work.
Will Richard meet his love and build the LED of his dreams? Will the wizard manage to enslave the earth? And will the father come in between Richard and his queen? Absolutely no good pictures. A Stephen no good production. LED Twilight, only in theaters.
This experiment is going nowhere. I need some inspiration.
Richard?
Oh, hey, Sally.
Hi. I was overhearing you.
Well, I hope you didn't hear me talking about Samantha.
I did.
Did?
I didn't tell you this before, but I always spy on you. I've sort of been stalking you.
We went back to a spine scene.
Hello? Sam? Sam? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello, Sam?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up? I thought we'd just go for...
Cross connection.
Hello?
Operator.
Hello?
Sam.
What's going on?
Oh, Sam, I'll call you back later.
Hello, Richard.
Who's that?
I know who you are, lady.
Switch back to action scene.
Yes, it was me sending all those Facebook messages and tapping your phone.
You changed my status messages?
Yes.
Was it you?
Yes. Yes.
God.
Chapter 4.
See, this is the last time I'm letting you do this, okay? Last time you tried to turn me in a rat and I turned into a dog.
This is something wrong with the magic wand. I know. I just got it cheap on a sale, and then I'm just
I told you not to buy it from Walmart, man.
Okay, let's do it smart. Kmart smart. Who are you now? Half rat.
Yes, it's half working.
We are at least there now.
Change language to Spanish.
Taco burrito, nacho.
Say that to English.
You have to understand that I can only feed you hot dogs and not burritos.
What will happen of me now? You must do something.
Yes.
Fast forward. Back to normal speed.
How the hell did you manage to get stopped, you bloody idiot?
Couldn't love her, Dad.
You love. She's talking, you fool. This is in our tradition of our family. Nobody has ever get stalked by a girl. Boys are okay. Never with a girl.
Okay, Dad, I'll ask her to stalk someone else.
That's the spirit.
Chapter 7.
No, it still hasn't been working. I'm still the same. See, I read this in the newspaper the other day. There's a scientist who's working on developing a new LED light.
Oh,
and that's
yes.
supposed to actually turn people back to people.
Back to people.
Yes.
Yes, and then we will use this to conquer the world.
No, first on me.
Okay.
Coming back to my
Yes, let's go to the lab.
Okay. I know he's not paying attention to us, but that's how he is.
Yes, you are good. I have passed. You will look at us now. And now we'll
Oh my
speak.
God.
Speak?
Yes.
So sorry.
Dude,
Sorry. Sorry, who are you guys?
I don't know who I am. I'm half rat, half dog.
Oh, but I am Merlin the magician.
Magician?
Yes.
What are
I'm
you
a
doing in the
wizard.
lab? You should be just using your wand.
Yeah, it's not working.
Yeah, that's a
why we are
different
here.
story. That's a different story.
Random song.
Random song. Jai Ho!
Man, that dance was tiring.
I know.
I don't know how, why randomly we start dancing.
I never practiced dancing. I think I can help you.
Yes.
Yes, I need those LED stick or whatever that you are making.
Oh yeah, I was trying to do the saber. I think I have it somewhere.
Or someone stole it.
Rewind back to Saber stealing scene. Switch back to action scene.
Oh, I see. That's how it was stolen.
Where? You stole it?
Yes.
Yes.
Why am I so forgetful? I thought it was still there. Oh God.
I think.
William, I gave you $200 to steal that thing because I thought that was my only way.
Well, yeah, but will you marry me?
That was, trust me, that was really
Please,
not the point.
please.
Okay, but under one condition. I get to keep stalking him. Does that work for you? Please say
Okay,
yes.
okay.
Okay, so we're gonna use this saber to make sure he listens to us.
Oh, this is a saber.
Chapter 9.
Yes, we are back.
What do you do to this guy?
See, he's half rat and half dog now. And it was his
But
own
I can
wishes.
speak. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
but I want to control the world, and by that, for that we need that LED, whatever that it is.
You can't even make a rat. You want to control the bird?
God.
Okay.
Oh, being a half dog, I can smell. Who took that thing? I can smell it back all the way to the guy.
See, that's a power which I gave him.
Pass forward.
Who's forward again? Yes.
This belongs to my mistress, my wife.
What is that you hold? And what is that we can't see?
You do not have the right to know that.
Okay.
Okay.
You are in our property.
Okay.
Okay.
But the point is that belongs to us.
Oh,
No,
exactly.
my mistress. I will fight you.
Yes. You should fight him first.
Go bite him.
He's a dog.
me,
You can bite.
That wasn't for you. No, it was for you. Bite him.
Ah, no. Let's stop this confusion. The point here is that the point here is that we can all rule the world if we form a coalition there. Okay?
Exactly.
Can we have a minute? So all I want is to keep stalking the guy,
Okay.
the crazy scientist guy. So if you promise to help me.
Absolutely. Yes. I love stalking
You
people.
do? Oh my god.
Climax scene.
Finally, I'm a man. Oh my God! Thank you so much. Now you can use your magic power on you,
Yes.
who is not actually looking at us and doing something. and please him to get married to her.
Yes. And I have to convince the father as well.
That's why the father is here. You know, before you stalk my little son,
Little son.
yes, he is little in my eye. You have to stalk me. You have to stalk me first.
Oh,
Or you have to convert me to whatever you do.
but you see,
Now I think
we
it's time
have
to do
a,
it.
just like you have a not getting stalked tradition in your family, my family always had this stalking tradition. My mom was the biggest stalker of you.
You know, you sound like you very familiar. That way.
I think, is it okay if you stalk the father instead of the son?
I can stalk both.
Okay, your wishes are granted.
See.
Alright, so this was our show for Fracas this time. We want to thank Second Nature to give us this opportunity to perform here, and a huge round of applause for Second Nature for organizing this. Let's have all the musicians on stage for once. And together we are Vidushaks, individually we are
Vikram, Prashant.
Krishna Kohli.
Kimish.
Shweta.
Aditya.
Sushmita. Rumi. Mansi.
others. Thank you guys for watching us.